This series of videos introduces new users to basic BigWave concepts and highlights usage for common elements and functions. These common elements include navigation, quick search, updating passwords, date controls, grids, and more. For certain, the new BigWave user will benefit the most from this introduction series, but experienced users might learn something they didn't know before. We start with the login page. Enter your supplied username and password. Click the Remember Me checkbox to have this page remember your username going forward. Click Login and you're logged in to BigWave. Once logged in, I land on my home page. In the upper right hand corner, you can see the current date and time, as well as the current BigWave version. Help is available via our user manual, our channel of how-to videos on YouTube, or by directly emailing us with a question. You will find every area in BigWave uses the same navigation format. Navigation tabs are found on the left, and details about your active tab on the right. For example, my active tab right now is Projects. On the right, I see a grid showing all projects I have in my system. If I click My Profile on the left, then on the right, I see my BigWave user profile information. Here's how to change your password. Click the Login tab and choose the Change Password option. Enter and confirm the new password and click OK. You will receive confirmation the password was successfully changed. You can see your email address under the Details tab Contact area. Notice I need to enter mine. To change this or any value in the system, click the Edit button found in the upper right hand corner. Alternatively, double-click anywhere on the surface to invoke the same dialog. I enter my email address, click OK, and the email address is now saved. On our home page, I navigate to the list of projects. The list is presented in a grid, and anytime there is a list of information to be seen in BigWave, you will find it in a grid. All grids work the same, so it's beneficial to understand how to manipulate and use them. Please refer to the short Grids video of this series to take a deeper dive into how grids work and how to use them. A line in this List of Projects grid represents a single project I have in my system. I click on it to open the project in my browser, and the project page opens. The project page, like any child page you will find in BigWave, contains a Finish button. Clicking the Finish button takes me back to my previous location and can be equated to hitting the back button in your browser. Either method of navigation works fine. Now I will click Finished, and predictably, I am taken back to my home page. I click on the grid row to reopen the project. Each page in BigWave contains a blue bar that provides information about the currently open page. For example, from the blue bar, I see I have the pump upgrade project for the 7-Eleven customer opened. Notice I can click on the customer name and open the customer page. Now the blue bar reflects we have the 7-Eleven customer page opened. I click Finished and I'm taken back to the project page. I click Finished again and I am back to the home page. You can hit the home link anytime to quickly get to your home page. Notice after I drill into a project and then to a work order, when I click Home, I go directly to where I started on my home page. The Quick Search function enables rapid access to any item in the system. Please refer to the Quick Search video in this series for specifics. You should now have a good understanding of how navigation works in BigWave, as well as how to edit information by opening the Edit dialog for any given tab. Subsequent videos cover Quick Search, grids, and date controls.